It's literally
Oh my gosh.
everywhere. There is, what do you call it? Caramel sauce?
Caramel?
It's
all
I
over
wasn't
the
even
floor?
using this. It's all over the floor. It's all over my hands. A spoon for you, a spoon for me. We did fried apple. No, they're not even apples. They were gonna be apples, but we did fried peaches in some brown sugar and honey and butter with toasted oats on the Blackstone with extra creamy vanilla ice cream, the right ice cream that nobody ate out of, because I have to hide it from my family because they love this one. Let me show you how to do it on your Blackstone. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm eating it. Time for our peaches. We've got some white peaches. You can also switch this out with apples or any kind of fruit that you like. We're gonna slice these up, which I always think the white peaches are a pain in the you-know-what to slice up. This is why I understand why people use what do you call those canned peaches. You could use canned peaches as well for this one. Once you get them all cut up, onto the griddle they go. Try to go on medium low heat. You don't want to rush this process. They're going to cook in a little bit of butter just to start. Now, right away I noticed, Ethan, you did not clean my griddle in between our shoots.
I'm sorry.
I've got standards here. Now, but we're going to keep going.
It'll taste the same. It'll be fine.
Okay, it'll be fine, just like Andy says. We're gonna go over these with a dome, let them hang out for a few minutes, move on to the other side of our griddle where we'll swirl down a little bit of butter to start our old-fashioned oats. We want these to toast on low heat, really slow, giving them some color, adding butter as they cook until they are as toasted as you prefer. Back over to these peaches. They're looking great. We're gonna add a bit more butter or a lot more butter and a good heaping mound of brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and that's all these need. We'll toss these together and you'll see that sauce just come.
No honey?
Oh, yep, I forgot the honey. We'll add a little bit of honey to finish these off, and that sauce is going to be drinkable. You're gonna love it. So let's get our ice cream into our large shareable family style bowl. Pour over these beautiful peaches and a little extra sauce and some of our toasted oats, and this is done. Now it's time to dive in. I've got a spoon for me, a spoon for Ethan. This is a treat after all of these videos that we have made this week for you guys to enjoy at home. This right here is like a warm, I keep wanting to say apple pie. You could do it with apple, but it's a warm peach pie because of that crunchy oat. You guys are gonna love it. I cannot wait for you to try it. And my rule, post a picture. I wanna see you eating at home all of the things I love eating here. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another family style favorite in my next video.